Okay. Hi, welcome to the latest channel. In this video, let me show you how to make this exercise. And this part is also known as thyroid support. Well, this is the dimension for this part. And then I want to show you how to make this modeling. Well, from the Solidworks interface, let's start from plan. Click and go to the sketch. First, click to this line and go to this toggle. And I want to prefer you to select for this midpoint line. And I want to start from this origin and make it for horizontal lines. Right click, then click select. And I want to give the smart dimension and transfer this value to 75 millimeter. Then press OK for its distance. For the next step, click to this line too, and I want to make for this oblique. Right click, then click select. Click to this line and make it for construction and start from this point. Right click, then click select. Let's give the smart dimension and it is 30 degrees. Then OK. Give for this length, escape, for 75 millimeter and then press enter. Well, click OK. Then offset entities by click to this line, so you will see the yellow preview, and I want to make it a reverse. Then click before OK and set for value to 12 millimeter for this parameter dialog box and then OK. Click to this line and connect one to another. And I want to give the thickness for the sketch by click the feeder and then go to the extrude boss. So for the direction one, click to the toggle and select the midpoint line. Set for this value to 80 millimeter. Then OK. Well, you will see the model will like this. And click to the surface and click sketch. Press and hold the Ctrl+A combination keyboard button, so it will transfer this appearance to normal too. And then I want to make for this line from this point, just make it for vertical line and go back to this point, so it results for curved line. And then I want to set for its dimension. For the first one, I want to transfer this radius, and it is 35 millimeter. OK. Next step, click to this circle and make for this point, just make for two circles and each other have the dimension. For the first one, I want to make it for 40 millimeter. Second one, and it is 20 millimeter. Then enter. Okay, and I want to give the thickness inside the body by click feeders, then extrude boss. Okay, let's transfer the value for 20 millimeter, and then for direction 1 just make the option for blind, and I want to set for this one, select all sketch, and then reverse, apply. For this model, click to the toggle and go back to the sketch. Let's give the extrude cut. Click to this sketch, and you can make for the direction 1 blind or up to surface. Sorry, for or drag all, and it means for cut for this body. And then just click for this. Okay. Then I want to make sketch for this surface. Just click to the surface and then click sketch. Let's call for the previous command by click a sketch and click show. You will see the previous sketch in this appearance, and I want to make it for the surface by click for this sketch and convert. Let's go to video, and I want to extrude cut. Let's give for 10 millimeter and then apply. If you want to hide this sketch, click and then click to the icon hide or this eye. Ctrl 7 to change for the isometric view. Next, I want to give 2 holes, and it's from the first one and the second one. Okay, let's make for this surface. Click and go to sketch. Press the combination control button, Ctrl A, and then I want to find for this midpoint line. Just make a for construction, right click and then click select. Make a for construction. For construction, it's meant for makes the guideline to this model. Right click and click select. Well, the dimension part say that holes has the diameter value 25 millimeter, and then click smart dimension, and then OK. So I want to define its position by click to this circle, and I want to make it let's make it a center for this line. Press and hold the Ctrl button, then click to this point, then select to this center for the circle and make it a vertical. For the next step, click to the circle and just make a larger circle, and it will tangent to this sides. It's mean for the diameter it's refers to 80 millimeter, for its diameter. Then click a smart dimension from the circle and to this line. Click to this circle and then press Ctrl and then click to this point. For this add relation, select for consider. If the diameter for the circle is changed, you can define its manual for 80 mm. Okay, next click to this surface and then make it a convert onto this. Okay, from this one situation, and I want to deliver the unnecessary line by click trim entities and then select for this option, and it is time to close. Let's select for one by one for this line. Then okay, go to feeders, then extrude cut. Zoom out and go to the cell contour, then set for the first one, and for this area too, and make it for direction 1 to draw hole, and then press OK. For the next step, let's make the sketch for the surface. Click and go to sketch. Ctrl A for normal tool, and then I want to make for circle. The circle has 25 diameter value. And then I want to make it a center for this surface by click on construction, and I want to make a guideline. Make it a vertical. Then I want to change its distance for this sides, and it is 45 mm. Then press enter. Go to the feeders and then extrude cut. For the direction one, change for draw hole. Then OK. Honestly, the modeling is done, but if you want to change the color or its appearance, go to this icon. For the example, I want to change for this color, and then OK. Let's finish by change for the several surface color by press and hold the control button and then select for its surface. This is the optional, you can follow or not. Control 7. Okay, I will show you all for this appearance will like this. If you like and support this channel, if you have the request part, you can send me for the message at my email, and see you on my next video.